Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, February 20th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video to let people know that you're not supposed to purchase leads or traffic that go directly to any one of the three LiveGood pages that you get in your back office, okay? So I see a lot of people doing this, and even some of the bigger marketers out there, and I just don't want anyone's account to be permanently terminated. So I thought I'd do this really quick, but in the back office under my websites, you can see here it says important, do not spam. It says never send out your personal website addresses via an autoresponder and/or any forms of mass bulk electronic means. Most high-quality autoresponder companies will require that you use high-quality opt-in leads and provide a redirect to your website addresses. Then it says do not purchase leads or traffic. We do not allow purchase traffic sources to be used to drive traffic, hits, leads, pre-enrollees, or anything else to any LiveGood websites. Doing so will get your websites permanently deactivated. Please review our spam policy for more detailed information about advertising your site via email. If you have any questions on this, contact support@livegood.com and/or your autoresponder leads vendor company. All right? So as far as I know, I've watched some videos done on this, and my understanding is that it's okay if you have your own capture page that you made. You know, maybe you use Leadsleep or ClickFunnels or whatever you use to create your own capture page, and then have a bridge page which goes to, you know, one of your pages here, most likely your Powerline page. All right, so as far as I understand, and if I'm wrong, somebody in the comments, please correct me on this, and I'll make sure that I do another video on this, okay? I don't want to mislead anybody, but you don't want to buy traffic or leads and have the click sent directly over to one of these three pages, okay? You want to make sure that you have a system in place, your own capture page, where you can collect the leads, have a nice bridge page, and then that drives people over to your LiveGood site, okay? So anyway, I'm keeping this video short. I just don't want to see anybody get in trouble. And again, if I have any of this information wrong, please correct me down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to address it in another video. All right? So I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in this, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.